Importance of lifestyle. Lifestyle is important because it can have significant impact on a person's overall health and well-being. Adopting healthy lifestyle habits such as regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep can help reduce risk of chronic diseases and improve overall quality of life. There are several ways to improve your lifestyle, such as adopting healthy habits and behaviors. Some examples are regular exercise, balanced diet, adequate sleep, stress management techniques such as meditation or yoga, socializing with friends and family, avoiding unhealthy habits such as smoking or excessive alcoholic consumption. In our next episode, we will start discussing about lifestyle disorders. Thank you.